Welcome to Ladakh 2025 with Travel Lessons Community, guys. My name is Shivam, and right now I'm at Simor, which is Leh Palace से थोड़ा ऊपर, और one of my favorite location actually in Leh because यहाँ से पूरा view आता है और maximum लोगों की favorite location यही होती है just to have some chill time in the evening. So I just thought I'll make a video of 7 night 8 days plan Leh to Leh with Nubra, Pangong, Hanle and Umlingla, जो कि हमारी itinerary है, favorite itinerary in 2025. So इसका मैं थोड़ा plan बता देता हूँ कैसे रहने वाला है so that you guys don't have any doubts. Maximum doubts will get clear. So day one, obviously Delhi to Leh, right? Leh airport pickup, 4 to 5 hours acclimatation in the evening, mall road and all. If you want to do some shoppings and all, that thing can be done as usual, you know that, right? But it's still, I'm just letting you know. Day two will be local Leh, Hall of Fame, Magnetic Hill, Gurdwara Patthar Sahib, Leh Palace, Shanti Stupa, yeah, and bungee jumping point, Sangam point, all these points, right? And then back to Leh only. This day you can have bike, scooty, everything because it's only 80 kilometer overall ride today. Day 2. Now day 3 will go Leh to Nubra via Khardungla Pass. Obviously, we'll take entire day in the evening Hundar Sand Dunes where we can have double hum camel ride and Diskit Monastery. Now day 4 will be Nubra to Pangong via Shayok Valley. Nowadays we are going via Waringla Pass. But let's see, अगर आगे थोड़ा बारिश कम हुई तो 15 अगस्त के बाद most probably Shayok Valley से जाएंगे. So day 4 will be this only, Nubra to Pangong. Day 5 Pangong to Hanle via Rizingla War Memorial. This will be day 5. We'll have Hanle, night stay in Hanle only. Day 6, Hanle to Umlingla and back to Hanle. Like this is going to be one of the biggest day because we will be, riding through world's highest motorable road this day. Day 6 and back to Hanle we'll be having. Day 7, Hanle to Leh via Chumathang, and yeah, rest is best on day 7. We'll come back to hotel. Day 8 will drop you at Leh airport only before your 2 hours of flight timing. So this is the plan, guys. 7 night 8 days plan. Leh to Leh with Nubra, Pangong, Hanle and Umlingla. And we do have batches on 2nd of August. Then we do have a batch on same batch, I believe, 13th of August, then 15th of August. You can join on 14th also and 16th also. Then we do have a batch on 23rd in August and many batches in September. We will be updating of all the batches too. So yeah, this is the plan, 7 night 8 days plan, and the trip is gonna be amazing. Yeah, hotels, transport, good people, good energy, good vibe, and obviously good experience, guys, with Travel Lessons Community. So this is the video from my side. I hope the video was good enough, and yeah, thank you so much.